Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You first confirm the essentials. Wi-Fi is enabled and you know the exact SSID and password. Once done, move within range of the router so signal strength is strong. Walls and appliances reduce performance. Now open your phone settings, tap Wi-Fi, and let the phone scan for networks. Make sure the network name you select matches the router label. If needed, toggle Wi-Fi off and on to refresh available networks and start the connection process immediately. You now tap the SSID and enter the password precisely. Use the show option to confirm characters and avoid mistakes. Once connected, open Advanced Settings to choose DHCP or Static IP if your network requires fixed addressing. Set Proxy only when your network needs it. Make sure Auto Connect is enabled so the phone rejoins automatically. Also set Network Privacy to use a randomized MAC if you want tracking protection. This helps preserve privacy while still allowing normal internet access. You finish by verifying the connection, load a web page, or run a quick speed test to confirm throughput and latency. If pages fail, forget the network and rejoin to clear credential or IP conflicts. Then re-enter the password and check Advanced Settings. If problems persist, reboot the phone and router in that order. This often clears DHCP or routing issues. One key troubleshooting tip. If captive portals block access, open a browser to trigger the login page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.